The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi, this is Matt with Learn About Law. Today's topic is modifying maintenance due to retirement. Spousal maintenance, formerly spousal alimony, is a statutory creation in Illinois. The legislature has set forth both the conditions and the calculations for how spousal maintenance is determined. The goal of this provision is to ensure that both parties are able to live in a fashion that they became accustomed to during the course of the marriage. The statute will determine both the amount and the length of maintenance. Once the court orders or the parties agree, maintenance stays in effect until the court orders otherwise or a termination event occurs. However, maintenance in Illinois is not statutorily permanent in its nature. The parties can modify the provisions of the statute in their marital settlement agreement. Maintenance can be made permanent, set specific timelines, or identify modification events. If the marital settlement agreement does not specify that a maintenance obligation is permanent, it is a modifiable obligation. That maintenance obligation can be modified upon a change in circumstances. The type of change that needs to occur will primarily be an uncontemplated involuntary event or a contemplated and planned event. One such contemplated event can be retirement. If the parties specifically specified that retirement is a modification event or took the time to specify how the parties would be provided for during the retirement years, it is important to remember that retiring in and of itself may not lead to a modification. If the payer has significant assets outside of their normal employment income or has the assets to continue to support the payee spouse, the court can and likely will order a maintenance payment to continue in some amount. If you believe that you qualify for a modification, you will need to file a petition to modify or possibly terminate maintenance. Once that petition is filed, the court will need to determine if there is a change in circumstance, if there are sufficient assets to continue the original maintenance obligation, and what the new obligation should be, if any, moving forward. Once the court begins to assess what a modified maintenance obligation may be, they apply the same standards as though you are establishing an original obligation. If the court orders a modification, that new obligation is put into effect retroactive to the date of filing or change of circumstance, whichever came later. So, if you are the payee, you may need to return a portion or all of the maintenance money provided to you since the filing for a modification. It is crucial to remember that your modification must take place through the court. Any agreements, even in writing, are not binding unless they are entered and approved by the judge. Be smart and protect yourself from potential liability by following the required procedural steps. This has been another episode of Learn About Law. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comment section and subscribe for more legal news daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.